In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather trending topics from forums, blogs, or social media platforms and use AI to distill the vast expanse of information into succinct summaries. We'll be diving deep into the process, making it easy for you to efficiently stay on top of hot topics and emerging trends that interest you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of this process, collecting data from forums, blogs, and social media. These platforms are treasure troves of user-generated content where you can find real-time discussions on a wide variety of subjects. To effectively scrape these sources, you may consider using web scraping tools or scripts. Web scraping, in essence, is a technique for extracting large amounts of data from websites, transforming the data into something more structured and meaningful. Before you begin scraping, make sure to familiarize yourself with the terms of service of your target platform, as some may have restrictions or ethical concerns regarding data collection. Once you're all set, start by identifying the forums, blogs, or social media channels that are most relevant to your interests or the insights you're aiming to gather. You'll want to focus on sections or threads with high engagement levels. These often provide the richest content filled with diverse opinions and emerging themes. For forums, this might mean diving into threads with the most responses. For blogs, look at the most commented or shared articles. On social media, trending hashtags or discussions that have sparked significant interaction are your best bet. After collecting the raw data, the next step is to organize and filter it. This usually involves cleaning the data by removing redundant or irrelevant entries and perhaps categorizing posts based on keywords or topics. This stage is crucial to ensure that you have a coherent data set that can be effectively analyzed. Now, with your cleaned and organized data set in hand, it's time to employ the power of artificial intelligence to summarize the collected ideas. AI tools, particularly those involving natural language processing, can parse through massive data sets, identifying key themes and summarizing them into digestible insights. This is where you can leverage AI solutions like summarization algorithms or machine learning models that have been trained to recognize patterns and distill essential information. These tools are designed to help you quickly grasp the essence of voluminous content, highlighting major trends, recurring questions, or prevailing sentiments across your target platforms. By focusing on summaries produced by AI, you'll save time and gain a clear understanding of what's keeping the online world buzzing. In summary, by harnessing web scraping techniques and the analytical power of AI, you can transform the overwhelming flow of online discussions into neatly packaged insights.